What's up, guys? So it's been about a couple of days now since kind of been backed off with my work here. So far I've been kind of focusing on getting the all the panels being sanded. I actually worked on the making and building the paint booth. So as you can see, it is kind of a DIY thing, so please don't judge me. And I'm not no carpenter, so just so you know. But you know how we do, we try our best to build this thing up and make things happen. But so far I have fitted the wheels. The Blitz 03 are on the car officially. I already rolled this one the other day, and the way it sits right now, it's actually totally, I like the way it is right now, just because it's not too high, not too low, but I think I might have to lower it a little bit more. I actually did the fender, as you saw the video, I did it with just a hammer without using the fender roller. So I really don't need that. I probably might need it for the front. So make sure, if you guys are doing this, be very careful and be cautious with your fender, because you don't want this to suck in like this. Anyways, so yeah, this is really looking good, but I really like how it stands on the other side. Well, it's not really ideally for to drive it like this, but look how low that is. That's so crazy. So I wanted to get to OEM spec as possible. I don't want it too wide. I really don't want this to flare out. But if we have to in the future, we will, but just by a little. But I still really need to camber the wheel, because it's not as cambered. As you can see, I don't think you can see that, but it's not that much. So I still have a little room. So I am running like 18x10, but the tires through the fender, actually we still have a little room for that to do a camber. So, but yeah, other than that, my work today is to definitely prep this up. I already sanded already, so it's all prep sanded, but I think I did maybe touch it up for the third time, just double check everything. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and I will be cleaning this off with the wax and degreaser, and so I can start laying our base, guys. So yes, we are going to be laying our base today, and with the clear coat too as well. So I'm not quite sure what gun I'm going to be using. I think I might have to use the low pressure volume one, and I do really like that gun, but then at the same time I also want to practice on using my Iwata, the old gun that I have, and that one is the high volume type. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing going. I'm not gonna lay any sealer in this one because it's only under the jams, like the hood right here. I don't need to seal it. So this is all just primer right here, high build primer, sanded down with 400 grit, and jeez. All right, first thing first, I really need to clean this up. This is super messy. I have been trying to focus on getting the floor all nice and clean, and the rest of the frame here, just use imagination. All of that is going to be all covered up, and this wall too as well, of course. And that's what we're going to do today, is to cover this area right here, make it to a wall. So, but yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and focus and clean this up. This is my paint table right here, or whatever you call it. It's my mini paint table for now. And I know it's not much, especially it kind of works out with this little room that I have here for a paint booth. So not actually a paint booth, I wouldn't call it that way, but this is actually working out for me, and this is what we got. Yeah, stay tuned, and let's get this thing started.